Welcome to DP Expedition. Today, we are exploring one of the most mysterious and fascinating ancient city in human history, Mohenjo-daro. The ancient site has puzzled historians and archaeologists for years. What some believe it hides a darker secret. Could this be the site of world's oldest nuclear attack? Located in the modern-day Pakistan, Mohenjo-daro was one of the largest city of ancient Indus Valley civilization, which flourished over 45 years ago. The ancient metropolis was known for its advanced urban planning, with the street laid out in a grid pattern and a vast drainage system, multi-story home. But despite its brilliance, Mohenjo-daro came to a sudden and mysterious end. Archaeologists have found evidences that the city was abandoned abruptly. More important, in certain parts of the site, bodies have been found laying in the street, as though a sudden and violent catastrophe struck without warning. One of the strangest discoveries at Mohenjo-daro is the presence of vitrified stone, rock that appear to have melted due to exposure to extreme heat. Some of the skeletons found here are also highly radioactive. These findings have led some researchers and theorists to propose a shocking hypothesis that Mohenjo-daro may have been the site of ancient nuclear explosion. Could an advanced civilization with knowledge far beyond what we credit them for have harnessed nuclear power? Supporters of this theory often point to ancient Indian texts like the Mahabharata and the Ramayana, which describe catastrophic weapons of mass destruction resembling modern-day nuclear bombs. In the Mahabharata, we find descriptions of the weapon that could reduce thousands of men to ashes. Some even urge that these could be the allegorical accounts of ancient atomic weapons. Interestingly, the legends surrounding Mohenjo-daro and the technology of ancient India often tie back to the god Vishwakarma, the divine architect responsible for creating the weapons of God, incredible palaces, and the cosmic weapons described in the scriptures. Could the city of Mohenjo-daro have been one of the Vishwakarma's construction destroyed in divine war? While these ideas are fascinating, most mainstream archaeologists that the destruction of Mohenjo-daro was likely caused by the natural disaster, invasion, or internal collapse. There is no concrete evidence of nuclear weapon. What the radioactive skeletons and vitrified stones remain unexplained by the conventional theories. Whether or not Mohenjo-daro was the site of a nuclear attack, it continued to fascinate and inspire wonder. Its advanced technology, sudden collapse, and connection to the ancient Indian myth suggest that there is much more to history than we currently understand. What do you think? Could an ancient civilization have discovered nuclear technology, or is this just a myth? Let us know your thought in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.